Hello lovely people, welcome back to RVR Galleria, and in this video you'll be seeing a miniature done by my son when he was 13 years old, and this was approximately in 2017 when and he wanted to gift it to his friend, which he wanted it to be a unique one. So for that he took a thermocol box layered with some mud, and he took some 3 plants. In that, one I remember was jade plant, the other 2 were some indoor plants, and he was removing the mud without disturbing the root bowl, and he was handling it very delicately. I appreciate that, and I'm very happy seeing him doing that, because he saw me doing miniatures and he was inspired by that, and he wanted to do it on his own and gift it. So I'm really happy for that, and I'm sorry I'm not able to give this in detail because I just took this video randomly, but as now I have started this YouTube channel, I thought I would just upload this. And he took a tall plant and he was shocked to see that there was a stick and it was removed, and he was wondering why the stick was there. I just told him to give the plant a balance, so that stick was placed, and then he placed them everything and he leveled it very nicely and neatly. And he also made steps using thermocol pieces and toothpicks. This was really appreciable, and he leveled it in an order, and he did it, he just leveled the soil to place some of the things whatever he wanted. So, and then he took some pebbles and he placed them in this way, and on the end I saw that it was a pond and it was a miniature house, and he had some steps also. I was really happy to see this. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe the channel if you are watching for the first time, and please share to your kids. And thanks for watching. Happy gardening.